This is field 1. I do apologize for the squishing. I probably have about a gallon of water in my boots at the moment. And we come up to field 2. Yeah, who wants to go swimming in the dugout? Field 2 isn't looking horrible. I'm very surprised. I thought this would be the worst out of 1 and 2. Minus the puddle between first and second. And coming into first base, it's not horrible. I mean, we could fix that. But and then as we continue down the Phillips Hill River, come up to our favorite spot in the world to grab some doughboys in the rain. Just check out the water flow. Shot back up through the walkway. I mean, it's pretty darn deep. It's to the top of my feet. And then we get to the fun one, field 3. And behind the dugouts. More water. A collection by the gas. Oh, look, it stopped raining. Should have played ball. That sucks. Kind of a dry dugout. See what I mean? Over my feet. Field 3. Big shout out to Ian Smith. His trench does work. See, look at that. Good proper water runoff. I'm telling you, we should sell tubing tickets. Kids can go tubing. Approaching second base on field 3. Loads of fun. Check out this water. Yep, still over my feet. Good times. I think we sold a lot of sunflower seeds this weekend because I see them floating everywhere. The big shocker for me is the water that we have out in right field on field 3. This is the first time I've really witnessed this firsthand. Some good pooling, fun times. And then we come over to first base. All right. Well, thank you for taking the Rhode Island Crush 2024 Summer Sizzler tour. I hope you enjoyed your time with us. We'll see you next year.